Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to set up your own Notion study planner that's not just functional but truly inspiring to use? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to quickly build a beautiful, organized Notion study planner using free templates, and by the end, you'll know how to make it your own, all without any design skills needed. Let's dive right in. We're going to start by taking advantage of Notion's built-in template library. Trust me, using a template is a huge time saver. It's like starting a race halfway down the track with a head start, and at the same time you get those professional design touches that can make planning feel a lot more motivating. First, open your Notion dashboard. You'll notice the small drop-down menu in the very top left corner. It's easy to overlook, but this is your gateway to all of Notion's pre-made templates. Go ahead and click that drop-down. Don't worry if the menu looks a little crowded. You're looking for the More options, sometimes marked with 3 dots. Give that a click. Now under More options, look for the Browse Templates selection. Clicking this opens up Notion's vast gallery of ready-to-use setups. At this point, it might feel a bit like walking into a stationery store for the first time. So many choices, but we're focused. Type Study Planner into the search bar at the top. You'll see several templates pop up, each with its own style and set of features. Take a moment to scroll through and see which one catches your eye. Some focus on daily study sessions, others on subject tracking, deadlines, or habits. Think about how you study best. Do you like to break your day into blocks, track assignments by class? There's no wrong answer here, and you can always swap templates if you change your mind later. Once you find a study planner template that you like, hover over it and hit Use this template or Add. This little step is where the magic starts. Notion clones the template into your own workspace, instantly creating a foundation that looks tidy and already a lot more professional than a blank page. If it takes a few seconds to load, that's normal. Your new planner is just being set up. Now your study planner should appear on your workspace, ready for editing. This is when you get to make it yours. Start filling in your individual credentials, maybe your name, your semester, or even a favorite motivational quote up top, something that puts you in the right mindset every time you open the page. You can also start experimenting with the creative features. For example, change up the cover photo to something that inspires you, play with emojis, or adjust the color coding for different subjects. And remember, every section in these templates is customizable. If you see a table, list, or calendar that doesn't quite fit your needs, just tweak it. Maybe you'd prefer an extra column for tracking which days you've reviewed material, or a place to jot down how you felt after each study session. This initial customization can feel a bit trial and error, especially if you're new to Notion, but don't worry, you can't break anything and every change helps you learn. And that's it. You've set up a fully functional, great-looking study planner in Notion, starting from a template and shaping it into something personal. If you ever need more features, just revisit the template gallery or explore Notion's widgets and databases to add even more power to your planner. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you've got any questions or if you want to share how you've customized your planner, drop a comment below. I love seeing how everyone gets creative with Notion. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy planning.